All right, everyone, let's dive into the world of fuel choices in the UK. Whether you're heating your home, powering your business, or fueling an industrial site, picking the right fuel is crucial. So, what are the options? We've got gas, electricity, oil, coal, biomass, and renewables like wind and solar. Each has its pros and cons, so let's break it down. First up, availability. Not all fuels are equally accessible everywhere. For example, natural gas is widely available in urban areas, but not so much in the countryside, where oil and LPG might be more common. Renewables depend on local resources. Think solar panels in sunny areas or wind turbines where it's breezy. And then there's the impact of UK energy policies. With coal on the way out and renewables on the rise, your choices might be shifting soon. Next, consider appliance type. Different fuels need different gear. Gas boilers, oil burners, electric heaters. They all vary in efficiency and longevity. Plus, new tech like heat pumps and hydrogen-ready boilers are game changers. Make sure your appliances are compatible with your chosen fuel to avoid any hiccups. Storage is another biggie. Fuels like oil, coal, and biomass need space and proper storage conditions. On the other hand, natural gas and electricity are delivered on demand, which is super convenient. Just remember, stored fuels need regular maintenance. Now let's talk green. Environmental impact is a huge factor these days. Fossil fuels contribute to carbon emissions, while renewables are much cleaner. But consider the full life cycle of your fuel from production to use to waste to get the complete picture. Smoke control regulations also play a role. If you're in a smoke control area, you need to use approved fuels and appliances. Local authorities enforce these rules, so make sure you're compliant to avoid fine. Cost is always a consideration. Installations, fuel prices, and maintenance all add up. Look out for government incentives like the renewable heat incentive to help offset costs. And remember, renewables might be more stable in the long run compared to volatile fossil fuel prices. Lastly, your personal preferences matter. Whether it's the ambience of a wood-burning stove or the convenience of electric heating, your lifestyle plays a big role in your choice. Plus, being eco-conscious can influence your decision towards more sustainable options. That's a wrap on choosing the right fuel in the UK. Don't forget to like and follow for more insights into the world of energy. See you next time.